Yo, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to the stream. I see Transistor already joined. Hey man, how's it going? Today I'm wearing a different swag. We got the Binsider swag, making a difference, you know, just spicing it up a bit and trying different things. So yeah, how is everybody doing? Thanks for joining the stream. Gonna learn some stuff today, hopefully. I still have the push-up counter. It's 3.5k almost. I've been working really hard this couple of days, so made a lot of mistakes. And yeah, one day we will reset that. I need to do probably like 100 sets of 30 push-ups. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. So yeah, so I'm just gonna check some statistics. Let's see. So actually I'm just gonna jump right into it. 5 people watching. Feel free to say hi in the chat. And yeah, the stream seems to be freezing, really. It's probably due to... Hold on, let me check. It seems fine on my side, kind of. Yeah, maybe sometimes it is freezing, but as long as you can hear me fine, it's fine, because it's going to be mostly reading in the stream, probably. Anchor ISP Solitude. Yeah, man, the ISPs. You know, some bad things happened yesterday, so there's like a intentional slowdown of the internet due to some security measures. So I'm guessing it's about that, but I'm not sure. I don't think it's about my internet. Anyways, just gonna jump right into it. So today we're gonna learn about Jujutsu. Not this, not an anime. How can I find the correct thing? Jujutsu version control. And the reason why I wanted to learn about this thing is I started to hear about it on some places on social media, and people say good things about it mostly. Actually, yeah, I didn't hear anybody say something bad. They usually say something like, I started using JJ or Jujutsu instead of Git and changed my life, or some stuff like that. But we're gonna learn about it today. I have never read the docs, but the interesting thing is I maintain the package if it loads. Yeah, I maintain the package for Arch. I think it was called JJ. And also I maintain a TUI called LazyJJ, which is for, you know, lazy Git but for Jujutsu. And yeah, I maintain those two things, but I don't use it. I don't use Jujutsu. That's kind of weird. But my intention was to get into it for a while. So yeah, hey James, welcome. Alias Jar Jar JJ. What is, wait, Jar Jar? Okay. It's definitely a quite fun name. So yeah. So another reason that I want to learn about this is because Git Cliff. There's an issue on Git Cliff, which is about adding support for Jujutsu, and before reading up this thing and also checking the PR, I wanted to read a bit more about Jujutsu and also maybe switch to Jujutsu on my desk, like on my setup. So yeah, JJ Bings. I'm kidding around. Jujutsu really cool friends at Ox. I love it. Yeah, people say good stuff about it mostly. So I'm very curious. What would be the way of starting out? Let's first read the introduction, I guess. Yeah, it's a version control system. Yes, basically like Git, right? It's unlike most other systems because internally it abstracts the user interface and version control algorithms. Okay, interesting. So there's a different architecture. So I guess it's something it provides something generic that can be used with many backends, and one of them is Git. And that's why they say we are hosting Jujutsu on GitHub, and it works fine with it. So yeah. Okay, they take some things from Git, Mercurial and Sapling, which I never heard before, and Darks, never heard of that too. Innovative and useful features on its own. Okay, working copy as a commit. Changes to files are recorded automatically as normal commits. So there's no git add, if I understood that correctly, and amended on every subsequent change. Okay, interesting. That sounds cool actually. Operation log and undo. Oh, so it supports undoing things as default, which is nice. Darks is a VCS written in Haskell. I think I heard about it, but I don't know. I never looked into it. So I use a NeoVim plugin for undoing stuff as of now, but if this is true, I can probably use Jujutsu to replace that plugin, because it supports undoing and logging of the events as default, so that's cool. Version control has finally entered the 1960s. Yeah, nice. Automatic rebase and conflict resolution. Get rebase update. Okay, that's cool. Which is available for use but experimental. They may have bugs, backwards compatible storage changes. Safe and concurrent. It's 2 a.m. in India. Hello DDKS. Sorry for streaming at this hour, but yeah, it's quite late here too. That's the point of the stream. I want to stream and then go to bed and then chill. It's 11 p.m. here. 11 p.m. Yeah, 23. JJ Cliff in the future, exactly. That's what I'm aiming for. So I need to understand what's going on here. So if I understood correctly, that this is for basically integration with other services, which is cool. It's concurrent. The command line tool is called JJ for now because it's easy to type and easy to replace. Project called Jujutsu because it matches JJ. Okay. They have a Discord, news, media, YouTube series about Jujutsu. Alright, let's see. What if version control... Wait, YouTube series? Just one video, but okay. Maybe they didn't add the video to the playlist, but it's fine. Article. Okay, getting started. All right, let's go, guys. Jujutsu is experimental version control system, while Git compatibility is stable, and most developers use it daily for their needs. There are still work in progress features. Okay, installation instructions. That's fine because I already packaged it and I installed it for Arch, so it's fine. Hello, Palm Writer, watching from university. Am I better than your lectures? What do you mean? Like, say hi to the professors. They all know me, you know. They say that just say that I'm watching some guy learning Jujutsu, and they all think that I'm doing some Brazilian Jujutsu or something. Anyways, all right. Glossary. Features compatible with Git. Oh, okay. So there are two backends. And one of them is Git, and the other one is native storage backend. But the Git uses libgit2 and Oxide, Git Oxide. Wait, why do you guys use both of them? That's kind of a different situation, but anyways. The Git backend is fully featured and maintained. Regular commits. Okay, here's explore GitHub repository with JJ. Okay, so JJ Git. So I need to use JJ Git. All right, let's do some experimentation. So I'm going to first of all go to some place in temp. I'm gonna run JJ. There's no JJ repo. All right. JJ help. Let's see what they have. Okay, they use clap. I can already tell. All right. So quite a lot of commands, but global options. Okay, I want to use Git. So JJ Git. Clone, export, fetch, import, init, push, remote. Where's commit? Is commit a part of the JJ? Okay. All right. So JJ git clone. Let's clone ratatui. Authentication required, but no callback set. Okay, so this is about my Git Oxide doesn't have feature parity with libgit2 yet, but they're getting it. Okay, I get it. So that's why JJ is using libgit2 for some parts, I guess. So yeah, makes sense. So I'm gonna uncomment GitHub from here. Just disabled SSH authentication for GitHub URLs. That's fine for now. Oh, okay. They have a nice progress bar. I like that already. I like that. But it's not really moving for some reason. Come on. It's not that big. Why is it taking forever? Okay, so JJ clone, JJ bookmark. JJ creates a local bookmark master. Okay, I'm very... Is it, by any chance, is it doing Git LFS thingy? Because it shouldn't take that long. I mean, how big is the Ratatouille repository? It is not freaking 100 megabytes. They don't, it doesn't really say here. So I'm not sure what's going on there. Wait, let me actually make the font size bigger so that you'll be able to see it. Gotta watch on phone, desktop, browser keeps buffering stream every minute. Can someone else check, like let me know if the stream is freezing or not, James, maybe, because I'm not sure if it's on my side or on your side, Transitory. I'm not sure what's going on. So let me actually make it 16. New York City and the stream is all good. Okay, thank you. So git clone, it shouldn't take that long actually, because it's not that it's not that big. 5 megabytes. Maybe it is though. I'm not sure. It's a bit too big. Make it like 14. Yeah, okay. It's a big repository, anyways. No, my side as well. It's breaking every minute. Oh, sorry guys. If it's I'm refreshing every minute literally after 30 seconds. That's weird. That's really weird. I have no idea. Sorry that you are having trouble. I'm just going to those images. It's using Git LFS. Okay, I'm just gonna run the stream on my phone and see if it's gonna freeze or something. But that's not really good. I'm gonna look into that after the stream, but I'm guessing, like I said, it's probably about this stuff that are happening in Turkey right now. So yeah, but my phone it seems fine. Sorry guys. Let me know if the issue still happens when you watch from your phone, Transistor. Okay. Good to know. So yeah. So JJ bookmark list all. Okay, I need to, yeah, of course. So these are branches, I guess. Why? What is bookmark? So you're ignoring me today? No, Azimon, I'm not. Jake, I'm not ignoring you. I know that you're. Wait. Okay, there was a small network issue. Now I'm back. I was saying I'm not ignoring you. I know that you're always there because opensource is just on my ass every second. So you're there. I know. They sent the agents after me, so I know I'm being watched. The big brother, the big Jake is watching me. So yeah. So bookmarks. Let's see. Name pointers to the revisions, just like branches. Okay, so they just renamed branch to bookmark. Yes, it works like that. If I'm understanding this right. Remotes, and tracked bookmarks. Terminology summary. A remote bookmarks, a bookmark refund remove. Okay. Cool. I'm not gonna read all of this right now. It seems a bit advanced, but if I run into any bookmark or conflicts or anything, I'm gonna take a look. So what's the next? JJ bookmark track. So track is like switch. So JJ bookmark How do I view the current bookmark track? Okay, so track main. How do I emote? I don't know. JJ Git. Let's just use Git then. It's a bit of an interesting CLI experience compared to Git, because I used to do like Git remote. What? Oh yeah, so it's not a Git repository, so I cannot really use Git commands here. Okay, so Git remote list origin, Git branch list, Git branch. There's no Git branch. So there are no branches. There are bookmarks, so bookmark list. Alright, so I am on main, and JJ. Alright, that's good enough. I'm gonna just continue here. JJ log. There's JJ log, which is the same as JJ, yes, and JJ diff, and so on. You can even have a co-located local repository. Okay, this is interesting. The working copy is automatically committed. So JJ status is another command. I'm gonna just do something. For example, I'm gonna go to typos. I'm gonna do some test, and then I'm gonna run JJ status. Working copy changes. Okay, typos has changed. JJ diff. Okay. What is JJ new? Create a new empty change and edit it in the working copy. Okay, JJ new test. I don't know. JJ bookmark create test. Okay, then. And oh, I see. So I changed some file, and then it automatically. So I switched the test, and then I did something, and it's committed, so to speak. And I can see that it has an ID. So if I do probably JJ show this ID, it will show something, but it's not committed. So yeah, you know. But I like this. It's quite an interesting concept. There's an ID for what I did, but I haven't committed anything. So okay, let's do something else. Let me save this file. Now JJ log. There's a. Okay, let me check this. Yeah, I can basically view the commit without committing it. Yeah. I really appreciate if this helps me in PR reviews. I'll switch partially then. Yeah, I cannot really tell by now because I cannot see how this would be useful, but probably if I start to use it, or if I see some examples, that would be pretty helpful to understand this. Kind of like git diff, I suppose. Yeah. So everything is tracked by default. everything is committed. All you do when you want to commit is setting the commit description and the author, basically. So yeah. So how do I commit? So JJ describe. Let me do that. JJ describe. This I cannot. Okay, describe update changelog. So now JJ log. It's update changelog. But this one has no description. What is this? Oh yeah, the typos thing. Okay, can I set a description for commits like that? So JJ describe update typos. Well, that's very flexible actually. That's nice. Normally, when you want to set a commit message for a commit in the past, you have to rebase, go there. Oh my god, that's a pain. If you use Git, you know what I'm talking about. Everyone is using Git, you know what I'm talking about, right? So this is quite good. I like it. The repo is the source of truth. Casting phone stream to desktop browser is the only workaround. Casting phone stream to desktop browser, what do you mean? How do you do that? What kind of a setup is that, bro? So git commands, snapshots. Yeah, this is what I just tried. So you can, at any point in time, you can just use JJ describe to override the commit, like commit history, basically. That's quite cool. I like that a lot. Pain, transit pain, also move the phone for watching. Man. Casting from phone, YouTube app to PC via Chrome, YouTube TV. Oh my god. Oh, sorry. Sorry to hear that. I will try to make this stream as useful as possible for you, because you're having a lot of trouble watching right now. So you're gonna learn a lot. You're gonna learn about Jujutsu, Brazilian Jujutsu, kicks. No, I don't think there are kicks in the Jujutsu. Anyways, entire repo is under version control. Yeah, we kind of went over this point already, I guess. So whatever you do, everything is... Wait, if everything is under version control, let's say I make some change here, make change. And then I also go to some other file. Does it record it as two separate changes? Probably not, right? No. Working copy changes. JJ status, JJ def. Okay. What's happening in Turkey? Any internet issues with provider? It's a good question. Yeah. I'm not sure if you're talking about my question or his question, but anyways, both of them are good questions. Yeah, they're like some stuff going on, basically. I don't want to go into detail. You can just probably just search for what's happening in Turkey or Ankara, and you'll find out. I don't want to talk about it. It's quite heavy topic. But yeah. So yeah, describe log, we already went through all of them. JJ OP, what is OP? Operation? There's no man page. Oh yeah, operation, there we go. Commands for working with the operation log. JJOP. JJOP log. Oh, this is the, okay. This is nice. Yeah, they throw somewhere out. Let's see. Yeah, no, it's fine. Basically, this is the like undo stuff that I talked about, and it shows everything. That's really nice. So snapshot working copy 1 minute ago. That's quite cool. So I'm guessing when you have a JJ repo, what happens is it tracks everything, and for that I'm not sure how it works, but if I had to guess, I would say using some system calls to track every change in the repo. But how is it doing that without running running a daemon or like some kind of a thread? You know what I mean? Like there should be some file watcher thing, right? How does it do that? That's quite... Yeah, I need to read about the internals maybe. Maybe some Linux stuff or something's happening there. So when I save a file, it knows that I save a file. So it kind of links, something's going on there. I've seen Rain talk about Watchman while she was learning JJ. Maybe that's involved somewhere. Yeah, I can check that out. Thanks, Jake. Yeah, thank you. I'm doing fine as of now. Thanks for worrying about me. Everything is fine. You're just learning JJ today. Conflicts. I don't want to take a look at the conflicts right now. That's FS notify. Yeah. FS notify. That's what I guessed, but I was not sure. Maybe yeah, I don't know. I need to read about the internals a bit. Comprehensive support for rewriting history. JJ diff edit? What the fuck? No way, dude. No way this is a real thing. Wait, so JJ... Wait, hold on. JJ diff edit. I can just edit the... No. Okay, how do I use it? How do I use it? Revision. Okay. Oh my god, what's going on? Yeah, I want to edit this. Okay, select. Can I edit it? Guys, what's going on? Can I click? Oh my god, this is a TUI. No way. Dude, they have a TUI inside the term. Like, what the hell is going on? How did you guys make this? Is this using ratatui or what? Please say ratatui. This is not ratatui. This is probably something custom. Jujutsu has a watchman config in it. I keep forgetting. Transit is painful in reviewing PRs. Okay. They use ratatui? No way. Okay, they have a ratatui dependency. Bro. Why do they depend on ratatui? SCM record. What is this? UI component to interactively select changes to include in a commit. Okay, so this is I don't know. why they don't use original ratatui. Is a Rust library for UI component interactive select? Okay, so this is what we see right now, and yeah, this depends on ratatui. Okay, I'm gonna give them a star, and I'm gonna check that out later. So yeah, it's not directly depending on it, but it's depending on it, so that's cool. Yeah, LazyJJ is definitely using ratatui. I'm a bit curious about the code. Actually, I'm gonna check this out, but I'm gonna use JJ to check it out. So JJ, can I use JJ clone? How do I clone? Okay, I need to use JJ git clone, right? Yeah. All right. SCM record. I'm gonna check out some things. First of all, which version of ratatui? They are a bit behind, but that's fine. What's that bookmark thing that you use for storing links? Oh, this is TUI journal. This tool. Yeah, basically this. So yeah, search for TUI journal. It's a TUI. I want to see an example usage actually. Static content. How do I use it? Okay, so file. You construct something and then you create an input. Interesting. Yeah, TUI journal is really good, man. I met the author at Eurorust. He was like, hey, I'm the author of a TUI journal. I was like, what? What, dude? I use your thing daily. Like, I use it probably every hour. Thank you for creating it. So that was quite a good moment. Legendary moment. They use, okay. How do they recorder? That's I don't think I understood the purpose of this library, by the way, but at the end of the day it does this. So that's cool. They have mouse events and everything too. So yeah. Nice. I want to edit the message, but it doesn't really work. You like it that much installing? Yeah, it's really good, man. I don't want to expose too much, but I get some to-dos in that. You can probably take a screenshot and take a look at. Don't look at my to-dos, all right? I have very important stuff in there. I have like labels, like labeled tasks in there, things that I want to share on socials, stuff like that. And yeah, I use it on stream. Okay, let's go for lunch. Okay, have a great lunch, man. I don't love the match inside the print macro. Yeah, that's a bit bad. All right, where did I left off? I'm just gonna confirm. What did I do? So section to do get into a release. God damn it! How did you know that? How did you know my to-dos? I don't understand this, man. How do I use this? Maybe I'm stupid. Git test. Okay, this is toggling something. Next page, what the view? I just want to edit the diff if possible. Can I please do that? Maybe I'm missing something here. Touch grass.
I try to catch the sound.
You can also use JJ split to split a commit entity. That's very cool. But why would you need that? Oh yeah, you can yeah, you can write commit, you can write a lot of code, then you want to, well, anyways, that might be interesting. Yeah, you can move parts of the changes in a commit to another commit with using JJ squash I from X into Y. Okay. Git blame is not supported. All right, guys, no Git blame. I'm out. Sorry. I need Git blame to blame other people. Love the DMB too, by the way. Yeah, it's good. J is boom boom better than holy moly. How does it sound? English is not my first language. I think holy moly is quite high up in my list. I like that, but yeah. Related work. All right, so I get a general idea of JJ now. That's cool. Let's see what they have on documentation though. Getting started. All right. Working with GitHub. Basic workflow. JJ new main, JJ commit. Okay, JJ commit is another thing, I guess. Updating repository, JJ pull, JJ git fetch. Okay. Well, the problem is I have many git aliases and like many git functions. I need to migrate them to JJ at some point if I decide to use this. Probably adding new commits, rewriting commits. Okay. Testimonials. I'd be sold on JJ if it had something even better than Git tree base. Well, you can like edit any commit message at any time without rebasing. I think that's super impressive. So yeah. Hello from Brazil. Hello JK. Welcome. We can share links in YouTube chat, or I would send one. JJ uses ratatui, so it's kind of like a Jujutsu. Yeah. Jujutsu. Okay. Guys, I want to tweet something, and then I'm gonna add myself to this list. Nah, you gotta do, yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know? You gotta do the marketing well. I'm gonna, yeah, that's such a funny thing to do. It's like, hey guys, I shared the good stuff about you, and here it is. I'm adding myself, and then I'll delete the tweet. No. Okay, LazyJJ. Let's check out that actually. Can I please? They have a pop-up and everything. Like, okay, so LazyJJ. Probably this will make my life so much easier. Nice. Log files. Bookmarks, command log. Oh, this is nice, dude. This is really nice. I'm loving this. So I can probably, well, there is a little bug there. For some reason it disappears, but I think it's about, okay, maybe on another stream I can just fix that bug. I know why it happens. That's really nice. Of course, Rain is testifying. I remember using cargo next test, yeah. Testifying. Yeah, how do I scroll at this thing? Help. Scroll up, down, create bookmark, rename. New from bookmark, new and describe, edit bookmark. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, oh, that's impressive. Okay, I can create a new bookmark and then it creates a new like branching thing. Whatever. I don't know, I'm just playing around. I like the tweet though, it's very slick. Git push. I don't want to push to Ratatui's main branch, dude. Imagine me typing something and then pushing whatever to the main branch. That would be a nightmare, dude. I'm getting anxiety now. I need to check check if anything is pushed. It's the wrong project to test this out. I'm gonna say that it's the wrong project to test this out. Anyways, it should work fine. So yeah, the problem with that is I don't see the whole logs. Like I want to see git log, you know, JJ git log, JJ git JJ log. So I don't have the whole history for some reason. I don't know what's going on. See files. Delete the git remote of ratatui. Challenge accepted. Wait. I'm curious if that will work the other way around. For example, if I clone, but git clone, oh my god, it's git clone ratatui, and then use JJ on it. How does it look? External changes in license to Apple public source and commits to main. Oops, sorry guys. Just hit some keys and something happened. I was just testing it out, you know. It was not something serious. It's like literally I typed in the whole license, like the Apple public source license, accidentally and pushed it. That will be like a short amount of time that people would use Ratatouille according to this license, and it will be interesting. It'll be really interesting. Could happen to anyone, you know. My bad. Everyone makes mistakes. So yeah, Ratatouille. That sounds like a cocktail, like Appletini, Ratatouille. Anyways, so I'm not sure if I will use JJ. Probably I will for new projects, just to try it out. Or maybe I mean, do they say anything about Git compatibility? Is there any like migration steps or anything like that? So git ignore, yes. Hooks, no, that's bad. Recommit. Staging area, kind of. Some modules, no. Oh no. Partial clones. Okay, I realized I use many features of Git. LFS, I use that too. God damn it. But you can probably use just JJ for basic stuff, right? It should work fine, but then why would you use it if you're not using Jujutsu itself? Like, because I want to take advantage of this very cool like describe features and other like edit, diff edit and so on. What will be the point of doing that if I'm using Git? Like, I don't know. I asked a friend at Oxide to share why they love it. I'll tweet you what they say when I hear back. That's awesome, thank you. I'm very curious. Move to Git repo. Startup IT JJ Hub. Yeah. I'm a bit disappointed actually because of the name. Like I was expecting Jujutsu have some meaning or something, or just a story behind it, but they say something like you picked Jujutsu because it's like, you know, JJ, two J's. What you should do, like Jujutsu? I don't know. It could be more creative, something. Do people at Oakside use JJ or miss something? Jujutsu. Okay. I'm gonna take a look at this PR now. Maybe after I take a look around. So I cloned this with Git. It's a Git repository, right? Git log and everything works. There's a cheese emoji right there. So JJ, what? Okay, JJ Git log, JJ log. Well, here's the problem. If I want to use JJ, I need to use, I cannot use JJ commands like JJ describe and so on because it's a Git. I'm using JJ in a Git repository. So I need to start the project or just clone the project or just initialize the JJ repository inside Git repository to be able to, I don't know, dude, it's a bit confusing. I don't know. I recently enjoyed Clapping and Sadr talk about Rust versus CPP on a podcast. You got great friends. Yeah, James got the connections, if you know what I'm saying. I'm using Git store. So let's see. Co-located where Git repo is a normal location, the other one is Git files inside. Yeah, so this issue is about Git Cliff locating the Jujutsu or the Git repository. So right now I clone this Git repository, so it will be able to locate that and just change log, right? But for Jujutsu it's different because it's using another directory. So JJ git clone, god damn it, JJ git clone, yeah, it's probably gonna use this one, JJ repo store git. So let's check in a second. My internet is super slow, and yeah, basically this guy wants to use that directory instead of the regular git one. Jujutsu is branchless. Just to okay. Using remote branches rather than local ones may be required. Alternatives. It just did the same on disk store, so okay. I'm curious about this one. So what is the parameter that he's talking about? Because he mentioned this here as well. It can work with Git in two ways. Co-located where is in normal location. So Jujutsu co-located Git. Co-located Git repos. Let's see. It's a hybrid Jujutsu Git repo. Oh, okay. So JJ Git init co-locate or JJ Git clone co-locate. Okay, let me actually try this. Or let me first check where is the Git repo. There's no Git repo. There is JJ repo store and Git, right? So Git stuff is in here when I clone it normally. And what happens when I clone it with co-locate? Co-locate. Ratatui co-locate. Let's see. So in this case, I think it will create a Git directory. I'm not sure. As a poor package manager, I need to ramp up my skills around cargo and dependency bus at least. And completely misplaced time for me to writing music. Yeah. When do we get to domain expansion? What do you mean? So yeah.
The way we speak to each other, it's like
I'm looking at the wrong thing. Okay. Only clones with
it's like Morse code.
Jujutsu using co-located
Every conversation we have.
option. So I'm gonna try this out in a second. Maybe I should write a new tool, guys. Maybe I should write JJ Cliff, Jujutsu Cliff. What do you guys think about that? Jujutsu Kaisen joke. I didn't watch the anime. Sorry. I'm not sorry. Why am I saying sorry for that? I'm proud that I'm okay. Sorry. I'm proud that I didn't watch that anime. All right. I don't watch anime. I'm against it. No, just kidding. Come on, that's super slow. I should have picked another repository for testing. Come on. Guys, I'm gonna create JJ Cliff. I had a look at the Git repo. Okay, now we're coming to the problem. But first, let me try this one. So, when you create a hybrid JJ/Git repo, it has the Git folder, and also it has the JJ folder, right? Yeah, exactly. So this works with Git Cliff. So that's cool. Yeah. JJ Cliff, fortune favors the bold. JJ hollow purple. Yeah, like I'm gonna make it happen, guys. If I think Git will be used less in the future at some point, so better it's better that I make the switch. But anyways, let's read the problem. So when you use like JJ clone, repo is bare, remote origin is correctly configured, head contains master, the directory is empty, head points an invalid. What do you mean? Wait a minute, I need to check this myself. JJ repo store git. Okay, so there's no head. I remember when Subversion was supposed to replace CVS. Man, what do you think about that now? How do you see what's your current view on version systems? Those old tools were awful. Maybe we'll say that Git was awful one day. You'll never know. We probably say that. I mean, yeah, with computer people, they like something so much, too much at times, and then in the future they like that was horrible. You know, people usually because you know over time we just develop and improve and innovate, and you know it is what it is. But I'm a bit sad that it's a bit of a hot take, but we'll probably say that Rust was super bad in the future. We'll probably say that, and it's a bit of a heartbreaking thing to think about. Like, imagine, dude, one day in the future, like, or maybe Rust will be still awesome, but they will say that the old versions of Rust in 2024 was garbage or something. You know, that they will say that. Probably, most likely. Just think about your grandchildren, you know. Yeah. Why are we talking about this? When Git came out, being able to branch so fast was incredible. The old systems used directories and a branch had to copy files. Okay, I see. So yeah, shitty implementations, then Git came, and then now there's LazyJJ and so on. Yeah, there's always source out forcing you to use Git email. What? We can say that now. Rust used to be so different. What has the future of it done for us? Nothing. So yeah, having Git Cliff do a swap, it's missing results in error. Unborn branch. I never seen this error before. The branch is unborn. So head is invalid. To make the Git repo usable, we could have the user change head manually. So this thing, git head. Well, for me, wait, what am I doing? For me, it's kind of working. Because the head is not empty. Do the same thing automatically, but selecting main, whatever. Allow the user to specify the branch. I would lean towards having the user to do it, at least as an initial implementation. I need to test this out first. Add support for opening the Git repository used when a repository is cloned using Jujutsu and not with the collocate option. This requires that the user updates the head of the Git repository, the mainline branch. Okay. Just clone a Git repository, update the head, and then you can run Git Cliff. Okay, those instructions are clear. Let's see. Now let's pull this. Git Cliff. Let's pull this. Bring back Rust implemented in OVAML. What is that? OCaml. Yeah, OVAML. No, not okay. That's legit. I don't know, man. Maybe I should one day just for fun check out OCaml on stream. Would that be interesting? I think there is some hype for sure. So I'm gonna just hop on the hype train, check out OCaml. Maybe tomorrow, maybe over the weekend. I don't know. That's a good idea. Thanks. Just gave me an idea. It's about thinking in stacks and not having to work within names and branches. Thinking in stacks. It's better for working across code pieces that you're iterating on. Okay, I think I can see that. Yeah. It's a bit of a, like, gives you the freedom to do whatever with the commits, like the objects and everything, I guess. Yeah, cool. Thanks, James. It's good to know. So now we have Jujutsu support in Git Cliff, I guess. Let's try it out. Caleb gave it a thumbs up, so approved already. So repo path will be this. Adds master not found, unborn branch. So but if it was master, it would probably find it, right? Because I don't know. JJ log. Why is it on master? It should be on main, actually. That's weird. That should be But if I use something that uses main, like master as main branch, that would probably work. Let me see. This project has a master branch as default. So JJ git clone, no collocate, just clone it. So let's see, JJ repo store git add. So now this has master in head and I'm using master as the default branch. So if I use Git Cliff over there, hold on. It still does not work. What? What the hell? Ref heads is empty. Oh, is that why? Wait, I don't get it. Maybe I need to do JJ fetch or something. How do I do that? Because I can see that it's using the correct branch. This won't work. Because it already has the correct branch name. Let me check again. So it's pointing to refs had master and refs had, there's no master, right? There should be a master. In normal Git we have Git refs had master and this contains the objects. So you have the other branches as well. So this is okay, git bear repo. I think it's cloned as bear, that's why. There's no branch, no like branch contents to be exact. So I need to fetch Jujutsu fetch Jujutsu VCS. I need to fetch or do something with it. Fetch and import. What am I looking at? Pool? Guys, what's the command for? Yeah, it assumes master is the main branch, but that's fine. It does not fetch the contents of the main or master, so yeah. I need to pull JJ git fetch, okay. JJ git fetch, branch master. Nothing changed. Thank you. JJ git remote. There should be something like JJ remote pool. I don't know. I'm just gonna comment on the PR, I guess. So yeah, there's, okay, let's see. Fake collocation. I think this command is not complete. I'm gonna comment on the issue. Well, this doesn't work for me. But let me try again. On ratatui, just gonna run this, and then if I run this, okay, this works. But wait, what did I change? No subtitle, hello. But why didn't that work with Mayuki? Okay. So this file already contains the it's refs head master, refs remotes origin main, so it should be okay. I see. I was not really reading this. I missed that it's using origin. Okay, remotes version master. Are subtitles doable for live streams? No, I'm not sure. Maybe it is. I need to check that. Take care, James. Take care. Yeah, it works. Okay. Okay, as next step, I think it'll be nice to ask upstream and also figure out a way of handling that in a better way. But I think the PR looks good. I mean, it works. So you can probably go ahead with it for the next version. So yeah. And I will try out Jujutsu. If I start a new project, I will definitely try it out. So yeah. So yeah, guys, that will be it from me today. Any last minute questions or anything that you want to say, please share it now. But it was quite fun. I think I learned many things about this new... Hey Lucas, I was just ending the stream, dude. Okay, I'm gonna just go over what I did. So you missed you didn't miss anything, don't worry. I was just looking into not this anime. God damn it. This version control thing, and I just reviewed a PR on Git Cliff, and yep. But it's quite... I did miss all the push-ups that no, those are from a couple of days ago. You didn't miss any of the push-up depths, but don't miss the actual push-ups. Okay, I'll do 3,498 push-ups, so that's a lot. Don't miss that. But we just looked at Jujutsu basically, and the takeaway from that is it's pretty cool. It works with Git, but I guess I need to get familiar with it a bit first before I can jump into it. But you can do stuff like edit any commit message at any time, edit the diff, move stuff around, split commits, and so on. It's quite flexible. I like that, and it records everything as default. So when you do JJ init, JJ git init, and if you try to, do something, it records like everything. So you can use LazyJJ, and there you have the command log, like what did I do, what has changed, and everything. So that's quite cool. So yep, those are the stuff we looked into. And little summary, I'm gonna do another stream and take a look at OCaml in the future, like a couple of days maybe, or tomorrow maybe, I don't know. but it's gonna be fun. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Any last minute questions, any comments, let me know. I'm gonna go in 2 minutes. I'm drinking tea, by the way, from the Mozart cup that I got from Vienna. And here's my homie. Look at my homie. My homie is just chilling, dude. Like, look at this guy. No problem, Lucas. So yeah. I'll be around. You know how to reach me. You know my socials and everything. Join my Discord. It's orhun.dev/discord. It will just give you the invite link. But anyway, see you around. And stay safe too, Jake. You guys all stay safe, alright? And I'm out. Take care. Take it easy. Bye. Stream is ending shortly. Goodbye. Good night.